Hello and welcome to Amazing Gray's first ever unboxing video. We are pleased to get to do this. Recently my son and I, Casey, competed in a competition called 36 Hours of Uwharrie. During that competition, Snomaster was kind enough to be a sponsor and provide us with cool water that was amazing. It was a very physical competition. We were thrilled to have the water. So me and my wife, dropped my notes, first ever video, remember that? So me and my wife decided that we would purchase a Snomaster fridge. And I totally screwed this up, but that's okay. We're first ever video. So as we start equipping our Jeep that we call Casper for off-roading, overlanding, adventures, wherever it may take us, we decided that it would be great to have something like this. One of the things that triggered us to go ahead and get it was my wife is a type 1 diabetic, and in some of our other adventures that we've been on, we found that it was very hard to keep her insulin cool, and so that was just another plug to go ahead. So let's get on with it. Let's unbox this sucker. I've had to get the yard mowed and all kinds of things today, and we decided we wouldn't open it until we got the yard mowed. So let's see here. Looks like I've got some, oh wow, they have provided us with Snomaster stickers, some lots of Snomaster stickers, some brochures, and let's see now what I've been waiting for. This is a portable unit, so it did have a handle there that I could get to real easy. Drop this thing out of the way. A mounting plate. So I guess you can screw this down. And there's places here, looks like you'll be able to mount it. It's set up to be like, can be a console. So we may put it up there or put it back here. We haven't decided at this time. So let me see, open it up here. Actually, I'll get it out where you can see it down in it a little bit better. It's got a compartment up here that, and then it has a deeper compartment back here in the back. The power cord looks like it plugs in here, and looks like it goes into a cigarette lighter. So really, I guess what we'll do is try to get this dude hooked up, and we'll check it out, come back and check our video out. We'll try to do a review here in a little while after we've had time to check it out, see what we think about it, and thank you all for watching. And subscribe. Subscribe to Amazing Grace. We, Jeannie and Tommy, we are Amazing Grace.